Question number 1. The stars twinkle dash the clear night sky. The right answer is option A, in. The stars twinkled in the clear night sky. Question number 2. She placed the candle dash the center of the circle. The right answer is option B, in. She placed the candle in the center of the circle. Question number 3. The phone's left dash his pocket while he was running. The right answer is option B, out of. The phone slipped out of his pocket while he was running. Question number 4. He stood silently dash the edge of the cliff, gazing at the horizon. The right answer is option A, it. He stood silently at the edge of the cliff, gazing at the horizon. Question number 5. The message was written dash invisible ink. The right answer is option B, in. The message was written in invisible ink. Question number 6. They traveled dash the winding roads of the mountains. The right answer is option C, along. They traveled along the winding roads of the mountains. Question number 7. The photograph was stuck dash the mirror with tape. The right answer is option A, on. The photograph was stuck on the mirror with tape. Question number 8. She kept the secret hidden dash her closest friends. The right answer is option A, from. She kept the secret hidden from her closest friends. Question number 9. He shouted instructions dash the noise of the crowd. The right answer is option A, over. He shouted instructions over the noise of the crowd. Question number 10. The glass shattered dash the impact of the fall. The right answer is option A, from. The glass shattered from the impact of the fall. Question number 11. The kids gathered dash the fireplace to listen to stories. The right answer is option A, around. The kids gathered around the fireplace to listen to stories. Question number 12. He watched the rain fall softly dash the window pane. The right answer is option C, against. He watched the rain fall softly against the window pane. Question number 13. The treasure was buried dash the ancient ruins. The right answer is option B, beneath. The treasure was buried beneath the ancient ruins. Question number 14. She looked dash the telescope to see the distant planet. The right answer is option A, through. She looked through the telescope to see the distant planet. Question number 15. The bird perched dash the highest branch of the tree. The right answer is option A, on. The bird perched on the highest branch of the tree. Question number 16. They communicated dash letters for years before meeting in person. The right answer is option A, by. They communicated by letters for years before meeting in person. Question number 17. The car stopped dash the red light. The right answer is option A, it. The car stopped at the red light. Question number 18. She walked dash the busy street without noticing the crowd. The right answer is option C, through. She walked through the busy street without noticing the crowd. Question number 19. The ball bounced, dashed the wall, and landed near the door. The right answer is option A, off. The ball bounced off the wall and landed near the door. Question number 20. They stayed dash a small hotel near the beach. The right answer is option B, it. They stayed at the small hotel near the beach.